Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can create a WordPress website for completely free. If you're new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and like this video if you find it useful. With that out of the way, let's get started with the tutorial. So basically, creating a WordPress website has two requirements: a hosted account and a domain. For this tutorial, we're going to be using a web solution called OOWebhost. So you can visit them at oowebhost.com. They provide a hosting account and a domain name for absolutely free with some limitations. So if you can see here, this is a basic plan of one website, 300 MB disk space, limited bandwidth. So you get the idea, but it's actually free. So you click on free sign up over here. Then you add in your email here and your username, and you add in your password here. So I'm going to type in a password. And click on sign up. Then it takes a while and it starts its activation process. So you'll be sent an email. So you go over to your email and you verify your email. So as you can see here, this is the email. So you simply click to verify over here. So when you click on this, it opens a new tab and it verifies the OOWebhost account for you. So I'm going to walk you through how you can set up WordPress using OOWebhost. It's very straightforward and very simple. So you click on get started here and you select start a blog. So you click this and you have to select a niche. This doesn't really reflect how the niche of your website, so you can just go ahead and choose anything. Then you can also skip this, and over here you're going to type in your website name. So I'm just going to type this tutorial, and I'm going to leave this as the default password and click on submit. Okay, another website has this name, so I'm going to change this to add 1, 2, 3 to name here and click on submit. Okay. Alright, I think this is okay. So at this stage, you're going to click on install WordPress. You can also click on upload the website, but I suggest you go with this because this is very straightforward. So you click on install WordPress and you'd add in your admin name here and you'd add in a password. So I'm just going to add in a password here. And I'm going to click on install. So this takes a while. It installs all the WordPress files and takes up to a minute. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to resume after it's all done. So as you can see, this is completed. So I'm going to click on go to configuration page. So this takes you to your WordPress website where you have to configure your database name. So you click on let's go, and to get the information for this, you go back to this page and click on tools, and under tools you click on database manager. So over here you copy your database name and your database username and replace it with these two, and come over here and click on change password. Then you copy this password and you add it over here and you click on change here. So once you do that, it's going to set up your website. So we're not really going to go in depth on how you can set up that, but that's essentially how you go with this. Another option you can go with is freehosting.com. So you can visit freehosting.com and click on sign up, and you're going to have access to create a free hosting account. So they'll give you a free hosting account here, but you don't get to use a domain. So you have to buy a domain before you can use this service. So I already went ahead and created an account. So this is my account. So I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress for free on freehosting.com also after you have a domain name. So you click on services and you click on your service. So the domain name we're using for this is 360nge.com. So once you get here, you're going to scroll down and click on direct login. So it's going to take you to the panel, and over here you're going to come to extra features. Then you'd find Softaculous Auto Installer. So you click on this also. So once you click on this software is available on almost every hosting account. Then you click on blogs, and under blogs you'd see WordPress here. So you click on WordPress and you click on install now. So once you click on install now, the domain name that you've added will be defaultly selected. Then you have to add in your admin name here and password. So I'm just going to add in a password. 1 2 3 4, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to select the default theme and click on install. So this takes a while, and it's going to install WordPress on the domain. So as you can see, to successfully install WordPress on this domain. This domain is not connected to this hosting account, as I'm just using it for demonstration purposes. Well, when I change the name servers of this domain name and point it to freehosting.com, it's going to be live on so you can also try out freehostier.com. So there are a lot of free hosting companies that you can try out and create a free account. And whenever you want to get a free domain name, you just have to visit Freenom. So there's a website called Freenom. So I'm just going to show you that quickly, how you can get a free domain name for your hosting. So let's say you wanted to create a store. So you could just a store about bikes. So you could call this Bike Stores 2020 or something. So when you click on check availability, one thing about Freenom is free, so you can get a free domain name, but not one of the main domain extensions. So you get things like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf. So when you check out, you have access to connect this to any of these hosting companies over here. So that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope you found it very useful. If you have any questions, you can ask via the comment section below. And there are a lot of free hosting companies out there and free domain name registrars. So this is just like the basics of free hosting, and I would suggest you go with webhost.com, because it's actually owned by a hostinger and they allow you to upgrade your plan easily. So once you have this set up and you're done testing, you can just click on upgrade and it's going to take you over to hostinger and move everything over there for you in just one click. So there's not much technicalities when it comes to webhost.com compared to free hosting and other solutions. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video.